Hi, I'm Tristan from Bedrock Audio. I'm here at InfoComm showcasing the latest BTB115 advanced TalkBox. So, as you can see, it's a funny looking TalkBox. You got two screens. The main one is on the back. You got your step-S signals here for speech intelligibility. You got some preloaded pink noise, white noise, sine waves at all different frequencies, but also a sweep. Test warnings as well, just for your safety measurements. Playing is as easy as playing start.
Attention.
As you can hear, I can switch to pink noise. That's all good and great. You can also load in your own signals via USB-C in case you want your own test signals. If you want, we have a line in. If you want to play your own signal generator through the TalkBox, we also have a line out in case you want to go into a PA system, for example. Powering is through a battery. As you can see, there's no cables attached to it. Otherwise, you can charge with the DC 12 volts. We got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity as well, so you can control the TalkBox from a distance. And as you saw in the beginning, we got two screens on front, so you have easy access from the front and the back. Finally, let me close off with the laser. You can see there's a nice laser which tells you how far your microphone is away, and it tells you where exactly your microphone is pointing towards. Please visit us at bedrockaudio.com.